Hi guys, let's look at what happened to on the exam day. What can happen to you on the exam day so that I can perform or I can make my strategy according to that. So you can see a lot of people have performed very well doing the mocks, but on the exam day they fumble. They done very well in the classes, but on the test day they couldn't score well. Yeah. So we are launching our mocks and books. So in case you want to join our program, you can call us on any of the numbers given here, and please do like and subscribe to the channel so you can get more updates like all the upcoming videos on this topic. Alright. Hi guys, in this video we'll look at how to strategize yourself or what will happen to you on the exam day so that we can set our strategy, take care of all the typical problems we have people face during the performance during the exam day. So this is a graph here. So we have the axis, x-axis and y-axis. So here we have the time and this side we have your performance. So your performance is going to vary. Yeah, according to the time. So let's divide the paper exam into three parts. So suppose you're talking about the CAT exam, so it is 40 minutes, 40 minutes, 40 minutes. You talk about SIMP exam, 20, 20, 20. You talk about CET exam. Every exam can be divided into three phases: part 1, part 2, part 3. Yeah. First phase is when you are always feeling the confidence. Starting of the exam, motivation is high, everything is good. You are feeling more and more. So the motivation factor is high, your confidence is high, everything is good, your accuracy or speed, everything is good. So first 1 hour is the most important part of it. Look at your school days, yaar. Remember the handwriting on the page number 1. Yeah. Then the second half is the most difficult time when the performance falls to the rock bottom. I call this phase as brain freeze. Brain freeze is when the brain stops working at all, is not working at all. Yeah, your performance goes down, your speed goes down. The main problem here is going to be on the speed. Last 1 hour, bhago, we increase the speed and goes up. Yeah, this is not happening today. This is happening since school days. Look at the size of question number 1 and look at the size of the last question. Look at the handwriting on page number 1 and look at the handwriting on the last page. There's a typical graph. Here your accuracy falls. Because the timer is less, your accuracy goes down. So what I recommend is you have to manage your paper in such a way that your performance, instead of a graph like this, is a more consistent performance. Yeah. So easy way out for that is let's break the paper into parts. Easy 6 part I can break the paper into. Yeah, I'm not giving one full paper, I'm giving small test, sectional test. So that, of course, yeah, in a, suppose you talk about CAT exam, so 20 minutes ka set, if I'm giving a 20 minutes ka set, same for CET, same for SNAP, NMAT, all the exams we can do that. So we're going to divide the preparation into, again, within 20 will be have the upside, downside. So my performance goes up, my performance goes down, goes up, goes down, goes up. You know what is this happening? Anybody who's starting to run, yeah, you know what they're told? They're told to run, then walk. Again run, again walk. Run, walk. So they're told to optimize your performance by taking small breaks. So we are kind of having a break in between the sections. Yeah. इस समय आके लोग सोते हैं यार. Trust me, people sleep during this time. I have seen students during the CAT exam especially when वो अपना चश्मा निकाल के मस्त पब्लिक सो जाती है because they are feeling sleepy. Especially if you are, suppose this is the afternoon ka time, on the exam day this is the afternoon ka time. Yeah, and you are 7 a.m. Reporting time of the morning slot is 7 a.m. Okay, and you are, for those who love to study in the night and they tell you to study in the morning, yeah, we wake up 1 in the morning, you will be walking like a zombie. This 1 hour you can survive. यार नया motivation है, ताज़ा exam start हुआ, you will be feeling high. But this is the time when the performance goes down and you feel sleepy or you feel hungry. Suppose in the afternoon batch and you normally, I eat my lunch around 2 o'clock. So lunch time, if they tell you to give a mock, you will be feeling hungry and you can't eat at that time. And then last 1 hour भागो and इस चक्कर में आके speed follow करता है. CAT, they've already told you that you have to do verbal here, you have to do DILR here, and you have to do quant here. Yeah. So all these factors I have to take care of when I'm giving the mocks. Yeah. CET on the other hand, we have that advantage. In fact, all the other non-CAT exam that I can fine tune my performance according to that. That I can keep verbal in the starting, logic in the middle, and quant in the end. So you can do that. Okay. So easiest way to come out of that is break the paper into parts. This is my strategy for every exam. We're going to fine tune the strategy according to every exam, then perform within particular section. You can do easy question first, tough question afterward. Pick up all the easy question first, then we look at all the difficult or lengthy question. So right from CAT to CET, this is a strategy we are going to follow. All right. So in case you want to join our mocks program, you are most welcome to join us. I'll be giving the numbers in the end. Alright, so you can just call us on any of the numbers given here. Suppose you tried one number and they're not picking the call, you can just call us any of the other numbers. So we're launching our mocks for CAT, SNAP, CMAT, all the exams. So in case you want to join the program, you are most welcome to call these numbers. Alright, all the best.